Hi, this video will show you how to do research in the Cerritos College Library database. The first thing you want to do is go to the Cerritos College homepage, which is right here. Then go up to Quick Links and click on Library. That'll take you to the library homepage. On the left side, you'll see Library Links. Click on Research Databases. This shows you all the databases that the college has, and they're all in alphabetical order, starting with A and going all the way down to Z. And each database gives you a little bit of a description explaining what kind of sources are in that particular database. So I'm going to recommend that we use Academic Search Complete. You can use any of the databases here for your paper, but this one has pretty much everything in it. Okay, so I'm going to click on Academic Search Complete. If you are using a computer that is off campus, it'll ask you for your username and password. This information is the same information you put in your My Cerritos account and Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, now you'll see a search box here. I'm going to recommend that you just type in the author and the title, the namesake, and Jhumpa Lahiri. And then I'll click on Search. It brings up 81 articles. Not all of these articles are actually here. The library doesn't subscribe to all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Full Text. That'll just bring me the articles that the library does have. Okay, so now we're down to 72 sources just in this one database, and all you need is 2 or 3 sources for this paper. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just click on this source right here. This seems to be a popular source that many students in the past have used. So I'm going to click on PDF Full Text, and that'll take me to the article. Okay, so this is a fairly long article. You don't necessarily have to read the entire article. You can just kind of skim through it and see if it talks about anything regarding your topic. And then all you need to do is just take one idea out of it and put it in your paper. You'll notice that the article, the language here is very technical. So you will need to paraphrase. Take an idea out of here and put it in your own words in your paper. And that's it. Then you're done. Okay, then you'll need to cite this on the Works Cited page, and the database will do the citations for you. All you need to do is go over here to the right side, and you'll see all these tools. This one right here says Cite. You click on that. Scroll down to MLA, and here we go. And this is your Works Cited citation. So all you need to do is copy and paste this onto your Works Cited page. However, keep in mind that the format of the Works Cited page needs to be accurate, so make sure you change the font to 12-point Times Roman, you double space. Sometimes it'll put the author and title in all caps like it does over here. You'll need to change that and make it lowercase again. And this right here, EBSCOhost, is the database. That's how I'm going to know that this is a source that came from the database. And that's all you need to know.